So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. You want to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on Start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once you're on this, you just want to follow through the steps that come up here, which are most applicable to your situation. So you can click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Follow through all these steps that come up here. You want to click on yes, and this should now fix your problem.